Riker, beam me up. LaForge, are you there? Commander Worf. Deanna. Deanna. Where are you, Deanna? Data, can you hear me? They have paralyzed me with a neurotoxin. I cannot move. Luckily, I was able to activate my transmitter. Please, if anyone can hear me, send some help down immediately. Scotty, beam me out. Oh, Captain, I think I might have luck on you. Ooh, I think I got luck on you. Please stand by. Ooh, good luck on you. Ooh. Cheap special effects.